First question is, what is the smallest country in the world? Option A is Monaco. Option B is Vatican City. Option C is Liechtenstein. Option D is San Marino. Correct answer is Vatican City. Second question is, how many hearts does an octopus have? Option A is 1. Option B is 2. Option C is 3. Option D is 4. Correct answer is 3. Third question is, which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? Option A is parrot. Option B is eagle. Option C is penguin. Option D is hummingbird. Correct answer is parrot. Fourth question is, what is the only mammal capable of sustained flight? Option A is bat. Option B is flying squirrel. Option C is flying fox. Option D is flying lemur. Correct answer is bat. Fifth question is, how many bones are there in the adult human body? Option A is 0.206. Option B is 0.212. Option C is 0.218. Option D is 0.224. Correct answer is 0.206. Sixth question is, which country consumes the most chocolate per capita? Option A is Switzerland. Option B is Belgium. Option C is Germany. Option D is United States. Correct answer is Switzerland. Seventh question is, what is the largest species of shark? Option A is great white shark. Option B is hammerhead shark. Option C is tiger shark. Option D is whale shark. Correct answer is whale shark. Eighth question is, which planet has the most moons in our solar system? Option A is Mars. Option B is Jupiter. Option C is Saturn. Option D is Neptune. Correct answer is Jupiter. Ninth question is, how many time zones are there in the world? Option A is 0.12. Option B is 0.20. Option C is 0.24. Option D is 0.36. Correct answer is 0.24. 10th question is, what is the only continent with no active volcanoes? Option A is Africa. Option B is Asia. Option C is Europe. Option D is Australia. Correct answer is Australia. 11th question is, what is the rarest blood type in humans? Option A is A negative. Option B is B positive. Option C is AB negative. Option D is O negative. Correct answer is AB negative. 12th question is, how many languages are estimated to be spoken in the world today? Option A is around 3,000. Option B is around 7,000. Option C is around 9,000. Option D is around 12,000. Correct answer is around 7,000. 13th question is, which country is home to the world's oldest university? Option A is United Kingdom. Option B is Italy. Option C is Greece. Option D is Egypt. Correct answer is Italy. 14th question is, what is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Option A is oxygen. Option B is nitrogen. Option C is carbon dioxide. Option D is hydrogen. Correct answer is nitrogen. 15th question is, how many years does it take for light from the sun to reach Earth? Option A is 0.4 minutes. Option B is 0.8 minutes. Option C is 0.12 minutes. Option D is 0.16 minutes. Correct answer is 0.8 minutes.